It's finally done. I'm gonna head out. I'm still not done. Y'all have to be OGs to remember this. Listen, back then we didn't have no Prestos. You'd be like, into the bus, into the bus. Y'all, I think I ruined my mirror. Did I just... Oh Lord, please tell me I didn't ruin my mirror.
Alcohol on your thingy?
I put alcohol on my mirror.
Why are you that?
Is it ruining my mirror?
What's with the glass? You have glass.
Oh my God, I'm so annoyed. Okay, cut. Hey guys, so right now I'm struggling because I put bleach and alcohol in my mirror, not knowing it was bleach and alcohol. And now my mirror is turning white. It's done. It's finally done. I'm gonna head out. Bam! Oh shoot, what the heck? Hold
Bam!
up. Hold up! I bought this for my wigs.
They don't stick, honey. You need
They
some
don't?
sort of grip. A little thumb piece of a glove. You take that thumb piece of a glove. Pray it doesn't break. Slide it onto here.
Oh my god, Shuddy.
You want to take a wig?
Genius.
Where's the wig?
Right here.
You want to take the wig? Put it onto here. The wig on a little bit more. And boom. Sticks. Whereby if you didn't put that on, it can't even stay.
Excuse me. That's my good hair. What are you doing? Welcome to my crib. Basically, yeah, that is me cleaning my room. Quarantine with me cleaning my room. I don't know, video name ideas. No clue what I'm gonna name this, but basically this is me and I cleaned my room today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't, because I had to clean my room, but at least it looks beautiful now, right? That's like the goal. You feel refreshed when your room is clean, and that's how I feel. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.